Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Emily, I do nails, and I'm also the owner of Sunflower Nails on Etsy. In today's video, I will be doing these nails on my sister. She said that I could record her. So yeah, I was super excited because that means more nail content for you guys. Also, my mom said she will let me record her nail sets too. So there's another one that will be up next week. I did Valentine's sets on both of them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and let's just get straight into it. Starting these nails off, I'm going to go in with my nude polish by Beetles in color B072. And I'm going to do 3 coats of this because my sister wanted more of a solid color. So I did 3 coats. I did 2 on camera, 1 off camera. And then I'm going to just start on the nail art. To start the nail art, I'm going to take my largest dotting tool. I did start off with a brush, but the dotting tool ended up being a lot better for it. But to create the hearts, I just create 2 circles right next to each other and then take him and bring him down to a V so they're at the point at the bottom, and then fill it in with the brush. And I'm just trying my best to use all the colors to create the hearts. So I did pink and green first, and then after those are cured, I'm going to go ahead and outline it in black as thin as possible. And then I did end up having to do the wording off camera because it was super hard to get right. I had to redo it multiple times, so I just went ahead and did it off camera because there was very little writing. After the hearts are finished, I'm going to go in with my red gel polish and create the blood drips and drops and splatters and all the accents in the blood. But I'm going to start off on the middle finger doing an X and an O, And I ended up changing it to a darker red than the one I showed because my sister requested it to be darker. Then coming off the X and the O, I ended up doing a few drips coming from it. And then around the cuticle, I did a few more drips. And then taking a good amount on the brush and just creating drops coming down from the drips and just putting a few little dots everywhere to create more of a splatter. And then I'm just going to repeat those same steps for the pointer and the pinky, just creating the drips and the splatters and the drops everywhere till they looked how she was happy with. And then I also ended up taking and putting drips on the bottom of the hearts to make them look like they're bleeding, and then a few little dots to create a splatter around them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below more nail ideas you'd like to see, or if you would like to see some more vlogs. I do have a market coming up in March 7th, that I plan on doing a vlog for, so let me know if you guys would like to see that. So after next week, I will be uploading a few St. Patrick's Day nail ideas, some spring nail ideas. So leave comments down below of those. A lot of my videos might become press-ons for a few weeks just because I have to get some press-ons done for that market. So yeah, that is why there'll be a higher amount of press-on videos. But yeah. So also, if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'd love to have you here. So I will see you guys next week. And I love you all so much.